Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about control board for Southbend part number 1181998. The Southbend part number 1181998 control board is a replacement part for Southbend commercial ovens. It is designed to control the temperature and other functions of the oven. The board includes a temperature sensor, a power switch, and a display panel. It also has an LED indicator light that will indicate when the oven is in use. The board also includes a timer that can be set to turn off the oven after a certain amount of time has elapsed. This control board is designed to be easy to install and use, making it an ideal replacement part for any Southbend comb. This part fixes the following symptoms. This control board is designed to fix the following symptoms: no power to the oven not heating up, oven not responding to temperature settings, oven not turning on or off. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power to the Southbend oven. 2. Remove the screws that hold the control board in place and carefully remove it from the oven. 3. Place the new control board in position and secure it with the screws that were removed earlier. 4. Connect all of the wires to their respective terminals on the control board, making sure to match up colors and polarity correctly. 5. Once all of the wires are connected, turn on the power to the oven and test out its functions to make sure everything is working properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.